morning, everybody.
Good morning.
We're out on the balcony, and we just pulled into Mazatlán. We went and had some breakfast, and now we're going to go to the Sparkle Lounge.
A spectacular lounge.
Yeah, Sparkle Lounge. Why did I say Sparkle Lounge?
I don't know.
Because it's got sparkles in it.
We have to meet there at 8:30, so we got to get our tail feathers a shaking.
We're gonna go do Salsa Salsa.
Yeah.
Today.
That'll be fun.
You make salsa, do the salsa, and drink margaritas, and so. Anyway, we'll check back with you when we're in the city. I'm hoping to film some of the salsa if conditions are conducive.
Yeah, we don't know where the location. Yeah, I know. We don't know where the location is, so we're not sure.
We gotta go.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm looking forward to Salsa Salsa, and then we have to find a Christmas ornament, and then maybe a gift for our giveaway we want to give if we find anything interesting. Salsa.
We're finally moving. We're on our way to a bus, trolley, some mode of transportation. Open air transportation.
Yes.
So, and then we're going to be at Salsa Salsa, where they promised to apparently get everybody
margarita drunk.
Margarita drunk.
Pink donuts.
Pink donuts. It's the pink donut chip. There's a lot of people here.
Lots. I've never seen it this busy, ever.
No strawberry margaritas.
No.
Shots of tequila.
ship.
Maybe. I'm trying to find a Christmas ornament.
You can't find a Christmas ornament because it's too early in the season.
Hey everybody, we just got back to the ship, did our salsa and salsa.
We made salsa and guacamole. And I got a new hat, see my new hat, $10 hat. Couldn't beat it, love it.
We couldn't find any Christmas ornaments, so we had to improvise.
Yes, and we found something pretty cool. So steakhouse tonight.
Yeah, we have dinner at the steakhouse at 6:30.
Yes.
This is the view.
Go ahead.
From our stateroom balcony. We will check back with you before we go to dinner tonight.
All right, guys. Bye.
Adios.
All right, we're going to dinner.
We're going to do it at the steakhouse. Give it a try. Hopefully it's good.
Yes, I'm looking forward to it.
So, I'm not sure what the rest of the night holds for us. We've been kind of like petering out about 10 or 10:30 every night.
Which is crazy, but we work hard, so yeah, well, this is the time we get to relax.
Yeah. Whatever we do, you'll come with us, even if it's back to the cabin. So, we'll check in with you at dinner. Of course, we've been very good about taking pictures of all the food.
No, we haven't.
No, we've gotten pictures of all the food. Some of it a little bit eaten before we took them.
A bite.
But tonight,
that's one of the things we forget to do.
All the time. We start eating before we take the picture. So, hopefully tonight we'll take the pictures before we start eating. So, anyway, we'll check back with you guys in a little bit.
Bye. I ordered stuffed mushrooms, young salad, which is just lettuce, buttermilk, the Australian, how do you pronounce it?
Wagyu.
Wagyu, pink, with béarnaise sauce, mushrooms, and a baked potato with all the trimmings. What did you order?
And mac and cheese.
We're sharing the mac and cheese.
It's on my face. Spinach salad, stuffed mushrooms, the cowboy ribeye steak, bone-in. I also ordered béarnaise sauce with that. And sauteed mushrooms and a baked potato.
Yay, you got it down.
That's right, I got it down. And then they just brought us
oh yeah, you want to take a picture?
something from the chef here. I'm going to insert picture here. What is it? Parmesan?
All Parmesan.
It's like a crisp Parmesan,
All that kind of
Parmesan, and Parmesan.
Parmesan, Parmesan, Parmesan.
And Parmesan.
Say something.
Something.
All right, we're ending day 4.
Yes.
Mazatlán.
Mazatlán, yeah.
So, what did we do today? It was so much fun.
We did salsa salsa.
Salsa salsa.
Which, for those of you who don't know what salsa salsa is, you go and make salsa and then learn the salsa.
Brad's got a little owie in the backie.
I've got an owie in the backie.
Okay, let's try that again. Brad has a pulled muscle in his back, so that didn't work out really well.
I much prefer owie in the backie. Vote. What do you guys think?
Owie in the back.
Pulled muscle in the back or owie in the back?
Sounds like you got an owie in your backside.
I do.
Yeah, but it's not your butt.
Well, that's the new word for the rest of the week. It's going to be the owie on my backie.
Oh.
Actually, I'm going to actually title this episode of the vlog.
No, I'm just kidding.
Is going to be Carnival Splendor vlog day 4, the owie on my backie.
So hey, if you haven't already, hit the thumbs up, hit like, hit subscribe, get the bell for notifications, because we want you to be part of this crazy midlife.
We're really pushing for 1,000.
Hey, I was talking. We want you to be. I want you to be part of our midlife crazy crew. Go ahead, honey. Go ahead.
The owie on my backie is stopping me from talking. We're really pushing for 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah, I want to do that giveaway.
So when we do hit 1,000 subscribers, we're going to do a giveaway. We're getting there slowly but surely.
But share.
One by one.
Let people out there know
if you enjoy them. Anyway, we're gonna wrap it up. All right.
So from myself, Kimberly.
I'm Brad.
And we're Midlife Crazy. Good night, and we'll see you tomorrow.
From Puerto Vallarta.
Puerto Vallarta.
Bye,
guys.